beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about Zubi Michael. Now a matter I want to talk about today, my darling people. You know say sometimes our people, I know they understand. And I want just give advice to our bloggers too. YouTubers, especially YouTubers, I beg. I know say una want really vlog waiting the happen, waiting the trade, you understand, but at least may some of us say they find that if something happen, mona not just carry the lie for waiting not happen, and we just carry one big lie come say something happen, or because you want make money for YouTube. My darling people, before you do anything, reason that into your own self. Reason at first to your own self. Say this thing when I want to do so na good thing. If I do am, people go reason me. This thing when I want to do so, if they do am to me, me go feel. Now the reason I'm more, but now go just do the thing. Like say that person where you now want spoil name, not be human being. You know good. May we define that, I beg. Me not count myself out too. May we define that before we go to put video. I beg. Because I see one video where just the trade about Zubi. Say Zubi dog meme. Zubi dog meme. I can't say why? Zubi dog meme na. I can't say I must go find that. I must make sure say I find that. Man, I really know whether not truth or not, my darling people. Now I can begin the search, the research. Now I can see as I can find that. Now I can see Zubi never meme. I can't be surprised. What you can make una lie? Say Zubi dog meme. We be say see they are alive. Why? Why we bloggers? Why would they behave like this? Why? Why some of us they do like that? Person go day alive now say the person dog meme. It's not good now. When would they reason before we go to do some kind of things? I beg. Person never meme. You just carry one big lie for your head. Say dog no, I beg. Like that little people. When would they reason before we go to do things sometimes now? The person where you want spoiling now, you might be too now. I'm a man born. If any of your relatives see all those videos now, they'll begin to fear, say, what did they happen? Or begin to fear for what they want to call their brother. Maybe say they are alive, or because we want to make money for YouTube. So now we just talk truth again at all. If they do unto you, they write RIP for your own picture where you see they are alive. How you go feel? You go there happy. You go there happy. Say they want to do this kind of thing to you. The why you can't do unto person. Why you can't do unto person? You know good. And then let people are beg. Maybe with the reason things for we go do sometimes. Maybe with the reason things. Before we go do something sometimes, you know good. I beg. My darling people. I see the video, the thing shocked me. I fear. Say, this man don't really me. I have to go find and look Facebook, look Instagram. Begin they find that they look a recent picture. They look a recent video. Now as I said the guy never me see they are alive. Why we can't they like this kind of lie? Or because we want blog, maybe we get money. You want make money for YouTube, you just can't they lie. Again, one particular YouTuber when I see. That one don't do rich. That one I even first start them. He don't do rich like 4 times. As he see view, he come back again. The red RIP for person where see they are alive. Bishop. Who does that? Who does that, my darling people? Person they alive. You begin to write RIP for that person, Bishop. If they don't to you or your own brother, you go like him. If they don't to person where they close to you, you go even they happy. If they don't to your own papa, you go there happy. But you don't to person. You do it to person. But this still one at the way some of them they play so sometimes. Yeah. More than not let these people see this video. Because if they see them, una know what it will come to una now. Not so una no know. More than stop this thing, no good. Because you want to make money for YouTube, you just begin they write RIP for person when see they alive. Sure. Now so the first thing do for this man too, Osayemore, where they sing. Now so they go like say that man don't me. I have to research, find that, make sure say I really find that very well. Before I can say no, this man never me. Why would they behave like that? Why? It's not good. Person go they alive when I go they lie, say the person don't me. Why? Person they alive. When I go they lie, say that person not they alive. Why would they behave like that now? Osayemore, thank God. The man quit fast, do video. We quit see the video. Now he quit do video. Say he never die. We say they alive. If we kill all of them, come begin to do video. If not, that's all the first right rest in peace for that man picture. Because if one person don't start up for YouTube, the rest go follow. The rest go just follow. Everybody. Before you know what they happen. RIP they'll begin the right for the man. Even when they go say the man talk, they'll say na lie. Thank God say never quick. Many YouTubers don't do that video. Where would they find out sometimes? I beg. I know say everybody need money, but I will take them busy. Zubi they are alive. I go see one video when they do just now. I go put the video one and see. He never happened to me. The guy say they alive. But una lie not go let person see road for social media. Una go just lie and lie and lie. Sometimes some of una, you know, good. Many people don't write RIP for this guy picture because he show money. And when I start to send, they spray money, they throw away money. Being start am. See, because he show money, he don't go do money ritual. Una did there when he do one. Una not did there. Or because una want something to talk, you go to write RIP for person where see their life picture. My darling people, this kind of thing good. You way they watch me now. What do you think about this video when I do so? This kind of thing good. Person their life and I will say it up with me. It good, my darling people. Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye, everybody. Please share the video. Let the video go viral. Zubi Michael is alive. He never die. If he die, I will still come tell you now. But God not go let him die now. He will still stay. Make the art of those feel for us. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.